How to send photos, videos, and documents on WhatsApp Business. Want to share file with clients? Here's how to send them with ease. First, open the chat where you want to send something. Click the attach icon next to the text field. Choose photos and videos to share media or documents to send files like PDFs. Select the files from your computer, then click open. Finally, press send and your files will be delivered instantly. You can select multiple files at once to save time. Keep file names clear and professional so clients can identify them quickly. Do you send more documents or media to your customers? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can send photos, videos, and documents on WhatsApp. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.